Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best electric hand planers on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is WEN 6-amp electric hand planer. The 6530 provides users with an electric hand plane at an affordable price. That will put this specialized power tool in your hands even if you are working on a tight budget. WEN has included a variety of features to make this planer easy to use. One example is the depth adjustments. It offers 16 positive stops, allowing you to set up quickly. This product has a maximum cut depth of 1/8 inch. This model provides a standard 3.25-inch wide cutting capacity, but it is worth noting that WEN also has a smaller and larger blade width available. The cutter head holds 2 blades. These are high-speed steel, HSS, and they are reversible. You will not notice a change in quality when compared to other blade designs. A 6-amp electric motor is used to power this hand planer. It can deliver up to 34,000 cuts per minute, CPM, under no-load conditions. Nominally, you will achieve 30,000 CPM or more in most woods. The dust chute is multi-directional, allowing you to adjust it in the best direction as you work. It includes a parallel fence bracket that will help keep you flush on the surface. A chamfer groove and rabbiting guide aid in performing those tasks crisply and quickly. Number 2. Our second best pick is Makita XPK01Z18V LXT lithium-ion cordless planer. This planer stands out from other models on this list because it is cordless. Makita offers this tool-only planer in an 18-volt design, which is plenty of power for cutting across your project's surface. It uses a configuration that cuts 3.25 inches across. Unfortunately, the depth of the cut reaches only 5/64 inch deep. That is fine for smooth wood, but it is underwhelming when planning rough surfaces. The 2-blade design will make a maximum of 28,000 CPM with no load. You should reach that potential with a fresh battery, but it will drop down as the battery pack discharges. It uses a depth adjustment knob that clicks as you alter the shoe placement. That is crucial, considering that the product provides a limited depth of cut. The manufacturer engineered this hand planer for balance. You will notice this even with the battery in place. Ergonomic handles with cushions provide a comfortable grip that is natural when addressing the wood surface. It includes an electric brake that will stop the blades once the power switch is no longer depressed. You will notice a faster workflow due to this addition. Number 3. Our third best pick is DeWalt DW680K electric hand planer. A big difference you will see right away between the WEN model and the DW680K is the price. That does buy you several upgrades, however. The blade is 3.25 inches in width. A key difference here will be the increased motor size. This product uses a 7-amp electric motor, allowing you to cut through material more readily. It takes up to 3/30 seconds inch off with each pass. That is less than ideal, as you will need to make more passes when trimming down your stock. The knob used to make depth adjustments can be micro-adjusted, and it is very accurate. The 2 blades can produce up to 30,000 CPM under ideal conditions, with fewer rotations achieved in harder woods. A larger engine should help to keep the 15,000 RPM range accessible. DeWalt has designed this tool to accept either high-speed steel, HSS, or carbide blades. You can install blades that provide greater speed or cleaner cuts, depending upon the job. This model weighs 11.8 pounds, which is a noticeable difference when compared to the WEN hand planer. You do get a fence bracket and a sturdy carry case with your purchase. DeWalt also provides its standard 3-year limited warranty on this hand planer. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Porter Cable Electric Hand Planer. An 11.5-inch shoe provides great length for this hand planer. The long base plate works like a 4-plane, allowing for faster stock removal and flattening. Porter Cable provides a standard 3.25-inch cutting width on this planer. It is limited in depth to 5/64 inch at maximum. You will need to make multiple passes on the rougher stock. A 6-amp motor powers the hand planer. That is sufficient power considering the maximum cutting depth this power tool provides. The cutter head can reach up to 16,500 RPMs under no-load conditions. This is higher than many of the other models, providing up to 33,000 CPM with its 2 blades. It uses 2 blades for cutting. This will work well for flattening as well as for cutting rabbets. You can create rabbets up to 0.47 inches depth, and the shoe also provides 3 chamfering grooves for a variety of chamfer angles. An ergonomic design does suffer from the split located along the length of the control handle. It has a large depth adjustment knob that provides a nice off-hand resting point. That control knob offers 10 adjustment points for micro-adjusting. This product has a great coverage plan, especially when considering its small price tag. Porter Cable offers a 90-day money-back guarantee, 1 year of free service, as well as a 3-year limited warranty on this electric hand planer. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is DeWalt DCP-580B20V Max Brushless Planer. The second cordless design we are looking at provides you with plenty of power for a hand planer. The 20V Max battery platform operates nominally at 18 volts. The 20-volt status is a maximum potential charge, which will give you a longer runtime. This power tool is part of DeWalt's XP series. These tools use a brushless motor design, which should extend the lifespan of the motor itself. It will generate up to 15,000 RPMs under no-load conditions. The 2-blade design will reach up to 32,000 CPM. That is possible with a fully charged battery pack, but it will drop down with use. A chamfer groove is added to the front shoe, allowing you to run it on the corners of your boards. The base plate is machined for precision, and the overall build is made from durable materials. Those materials, along with the brushless motor, make this a professional-grade tool. DeWalt offers a 3-year limited warranty on this hand planer. The company also provides plenty of online support as well as service centers in the North American market. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.